Hey, hi and welcome back. So till now we have completed two modules. In the first module we discussed the electronics components, and in the second module I introduce you to the Autodesk Eagle software. Okay, so step by step we are moving forward in this training, and I am sure slowly you are gaining confidence in the hardware design process. Okay, so that's basically the purpose of this training. So now we have all the required knowledge and we are now all set to design our custom hardware. So I welcome you to the third module, which is all about the circuit design of hardware that we are designing in this training. So this module is actually very important, and mark my words, the knowledge that you will gain in this module is going to be helpful to you in your entire professional life. Okay, so listen to the videos covered in this topic carefully. Alright. So that being said, now let's start with the first topic of this module, which is power supply unit. So power supply unit, no matter what type of hardware you are designing, most of the time you are going to deal with this block, which is actually power supply block. Okay, so we have power supply block in our computer, we have it in our cell phone, we have it in our smartwatch. So power supply block is actually everywhere. Okay, no matter whether you are dealing with the medical electronics, defense electronics, aerospace electronics or space electronics. Okay, this particular block will be everywhere. So every system have its own power requirement, and considering that requirement, we actually design the power supply for that system. Okay, so in the same way, the system that we are designing in this training have its own power requirement. And considering that requirement, we are actually going to design the power supply for our system. Alright, so now let me tell you what you are going to learn in the videos covered in this topic. So the first video is about power budget calculation. So in this video, I will show you the detailed procedure to calculate the power budget for our system. So here we are going to make the decision how much power our system will consume for its proper operation. Okay, so that decision we are actually going to make in this particular video. After that, the second video is about introduction to power supply IC. So based on the power calculation that we did in the previous video, based on that, I will show you a suitable power supply IC that will fulfill the system's power requirement. So I will walk you through the data sheet of that particular IC, and we will explore the different specifications of that IC. Okay. After that, the next video is about understanding circuit of power supply. So in this particular video, I am going to discuss the power supply circuitry in detail, and we will try to understand the significance of each and every component which is connected around the power supply IC. Okay. So everything we are going to discuss regarding the power supply circuitry in detail in this particular video. After that, the next video is about schematic design of power supply circuit. So once we are done with the power supply circuit explanation, later we will create the schematic of power supply circuit using Eagle schematic editor. So I will show you the detailed procedure to create this schematic. Okay. So this is how basically we are going to cover this topic, and I am sure you will definitely enjoy this topic. Okay. So now in next video, we will start with this point, which is about system power budget calculation. Okay, so I will see you in the next video now.